Hello, welcome. Question 12, BECE 2025. We have to find the largest value of the numbers -1, 0, -6, and what? -3. In determining the larger number between two numbers, when they are placed on the number line, the one at the right is bigger than the one at the left. As in, if I have a number line that I have 10 here, 11, 12. Comparing them, you can see that 11 is bigger than 10 because it's at the right side of 10. 12 is also bigger than 11 because it is at the right side. So if I draw a number line for these numbers given to me, I am going to remember that there is a stoppage point here. Let's say let me start from the corner. This is the one in here. If I start from here, 0, I should have -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, -6. These are the numbers that you have. So if I am to pick the largest one, I should be able to go to the far right end and look out for the biggest number. So you can see this by comparatively or by comparison, -1 and 0. 0 is at the right side of what -1. So this is bigger. So it means that if I compare -6 and 0 also, since 0 is at the right side of it, I will say -6 is smaller and 0 is the largest one. So in these numbers we have here, the largest one is going to be the 0, not the -6. The -6, in fact, is the smallest in the list of all these numbers. As you can see, 10 is smaller than what? 12. Even though they're not closer, but it's at the right side of what? The 12. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.